Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. With the third puzzle. A binary puzzle, 10 by 10. Yes, in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, May the 6th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars, Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic. And one of these a binary puzzle. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. So let me start with the 27 printed digits. And this will be number 6393. Here. 6393. Told you it's a 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no, 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 double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's, double O here one, there one. 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 More double O's, no. Double one here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, and the rest are ones. Double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here one, there one. Then. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here one, there one. Double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here one, there one. Between two, oh yeah, between two one. Well, double one here no, there no. Okay. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, and the rest are ones. Double one here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And now. Let me see. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh well. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Alright. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I need to compare now. Because cannot do anything here. Oh. Alright, let me see the first row. We have a double one here. Yeah. It's not the same. Double one, no. How about the double one with this one? Not the same, not the same. How about double O here with the double O? This is O here. O11, okay. Double O, here we have a double O. 110, 110, 110. Not the same, not the same, not the same. Okay, so these two I cannot compare. Wait, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this column. That means if I place the fifth O there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1 then. Alright, so double 1, here no, there no. Still we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have still 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. There should be a 1 then. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Yes, without comparing 6 minutes. Alright, without comparing. And we solve it again, we solve it again. I thought we need to compare, but we have here 4 O's in a column. So, yeah. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.